Hey, so kung matagal ka nang nanonood ng mga video ko, sabay-sabay tayo and 3, ay sorry. Hey, kung matagal ka nanonood ng mga videos ko, sabay-sabay tayo in 3, 2, 1. What's up, subscribers? So welcome back to the channel. This is Paul Bonin Vargas of ZEBIANMNL. So for today's video, bale, since Christmas is almost just around the corner and medyo tagtipid tayo dahil pandemic and walang weddings, wala din masyadong orders ng leather crafts natin. So naisipin kong gumawa ng gift para kay Mrs. So what we will be doing is an earring from scraps. So I got my scrap leather here and nakabili ako nito parang nung bago nag-pandemic yata yun. If tama yung pagkaalala ko. Bali, these ones are this one pang ano siya, pang earring. Kasi plan ko dati gumawa talaga ng leather earrings and medyo naurong dahil nga pandemic tayo. So yun yung gagawin natin for today. So what we need is our scrap leathers and a round object. So by this time I'll be using a 5 pesos coin. Bale, i-cut lang natin yung leather natin into a rounded one and after that bubutasan natin siya and lalagyan ng initials ni Mrs. or pwede ding initials mo. If gusto nyo magpagawa ng leather earring, message lang kayo and do comment below. And syempre don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button para mas marami kayong mapanood na video. So, start na tayo. Alright, so bale, start na tayo. First, syempre, i-cut mo lang yung leather scraps mo in circular pattern. Mas okay kung meron ka nung circular na puncher na pang-cut para mas pantay yung ano mo, yung leather cuts. Pero syempre since wala pa tayong ano nun, malaki, pwede na natin itong gamitin yung 5 pesos coins natin. Pero kailangan mo lang diinan and make sure na pantay yung magagawa mo. Okay? Alright, so here's our first circular one. And syempre, gawin na natin to dito sa kabila. Alright, so kapag meron ka na nung dalawang circular leather natin, pwede na natin silang butasan. Alright, so medyo crucial yung paglagay natin ng butas kasi kailangang magkasya yung metal parts natin na to. Actually, kailangan ito yung magkasya kung saan natin ilalagay this one para ilalagay din natin over here. So, yun. Start na tayo maglagay ng butas. Since meron na tayo nito, lagay na natin siya this and syempre kunin mo yung mismo nilalagay sa ears and sarado mo lang. Right, so there's our first one. Right, so here we're basically finished with our leather earrings. So syempre lagyan natin ng initials ni Mrs. para mas personalized. Alright? Alright, so we're finally done with our leather earrings. Just a simple idea. Bagay ba? Just a simple idea for Christmas na pwede mong ibigay sa loved ones mo or kung kanino man na kakilala mo na pwede mong pagbigyan ng earrings. So, that's it for our video today. And again, thank you for watching our channel. And please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Syempre, yung notification bell, wag mong kalimutan para kapag may bagong videos, makakanood ka agad. And syempre, comment down below kung ano pa yung gusto mong mapanood sa mga videos natin. And for other videos that you would like to watch, go check on this side and subscribe button on this side. So, thank you again and Diyos mabalos! Naalala ko may butas nga pala ako sa ears. Ano siya ba?